to draw hot chocolate connecting dots in this drawing video. Get your dot-to-dot printable template, get your art supplies, and let's learn some fun hot chocolate facts while we color. First, let's draw the left side of the cup. Let's draw the outer handle from 2 to 7 and the inner one parallel to that. We're going to skip some numbers on the bottom of the cup because we're going to put marshmallows in those spots later. From 14 to 17, we're going to finish off the right side. And we're going to do the top rim from 1 to 17, doing a nice curve. Let's add a candy cane to make our hot chocolate festive. Now we're going to add our marshmallows. Let's start between the numbers we missed earlier, and then we're going to move to the inside of the mug. Don't worry about making your marshmallows perfect, because marshmallows in real life aren't perfect. Now our hot chocolate is going to be full of marshmallows. Finish the rim of the mug, and then we're going to move to details. As you can see, I'm using a thinner pen to do the details of my candy cane, and I'm going to use the same one for the face later. Let's add some definition to the marshmallows. If you like your picture the way it is, you can stop and go straight to coloring. Or if you like, you can draw a winky smiley face like I am, or try drawing your own. Let's not forget our hot chocolate is hot, so let's draw some steam. Get your art supplies because now it's time to color. Since my hot chocolate mug is holiday themed, I'm choosing to make it red. So I've got 3 reds, a light, medium, and a dark for highlights, midtones, and shadows. The average person who thinks they're drinking hot chocolate is actually drinking hot cocoa. But they are not the same. Hot chocolate and hot cocoa are 2 very different things. What's the difference, you ask? Technically speaking, hot chocolate is made of chopped up bits of chocolate or small pellets, and they're slowly melted and then blended with milk, cream, or water. Whereas hot cocoa is made from powder made by extracting most of the rich cocoa butter from the ground cocoa beans. A study conducted by Cornell University has shown that hot chocolate contains more antioxidants than wine and tea, therefore reducing the risk of heart disease. Now, this is not medical advice, and you probably shouldn't go out and drink a cup of hot chocolate every single day, but one can dream. The first chocolate beverage is believed to have been created by the Mayans around 2,000 years ago, and back then it was actually served cold. As the last part of my picture, I'm coloring the face, but if you didn't want to do it, your picture should already be done and it'll look something like this. If you love drawing and coloring this hot chocolate with me, check out this video on your screen next and let's draw that together.